What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Addict. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Got an awesome front wide body piece from Street Fighter LA that we're going to be cutting and painting for our customer's Gen 6 Camaro. What happened to that car? While we're doing this kit again, while we posted it about a couple months ago, our customer unfortunately got in a little car accident and he had to fix his car, line it all up, and show you guys the carbon fiber hood all damaged as well. Let's dive into all the information and show you where this piece goes onto the Gen 6. All right, guys, have you guys seen a carbon fiber hood crashed and broken and cracked? Well, let me show you this perfect example right here. The Type AZ that we supplied our customer with is all cut up and damaged from the accident that previously was in a hit about a month and a half or so. Our client was very patient to get this car running. The frame had to be adjusted. The wide body was destroyed in the front. Thankfully, the back wide body is all good to go in good condition without any issues. As you can see, this was the first Gen 6 that we did, the Street Fighter LA wide body kit. The wide body in the back is all good to go without any issues. And I appreciate my guy, Chris, for giving me the opportunity to work on this car again. His loyalty to us means a lot. These headlights will be out. The front bumper will be cut up. The front passenger fender will be also cut up. And we also have to paint the wide body.